Hello, it's me again.
Oh my god, who let her come out the house looking like that? I'm gonna hold up on the salon and get her some weed. She just doing her.
OMG, what do she have on? Highlights from it all, bro.
Give me the phone. I'm gonna take this.
Cause she Ratchet.
I'm about to put this girl on Twitter.
Cause she Ratchet. I ain't got time for this. I'm too grown. Boy, back. Now we can shoot on. Ooh, I just wanna punch her in her face. I can't stand her. Ooh, she too fat. Girl, let me tell you what I got my Mr. Girl, was a baby boy, and he came with a sister. Girl, yeah, I'm pregnant, I see her hit the club in the middle of the floor. No shoe whistle. Keep jumping. Everybody jeans for boots today. People looking good, cause just my bed. Thug his shoot today. New button, new shoes today. Just for check it two today. Got the track yesterday. Got just today, you know it gon' be fit up. Move, I got my West 15, I got my food. Got a brand new piercing, brand new tech, pay $95 for this weed plus tech. You done good when I smack a thumb. No red hair, this can't on. Thinking that you better than I am, what do you think on? Drink up for you, my number. Bye.
What's wrong with you? Oh, girl. Be quiet. Hey, girl. You look good. You look good. Turn around. Let me get your suit in. Okay. I'll talk to you later.
OMG, what does she have on? She rapping? Her lady friend is cause she rap. I'm gonna take this here for picture. She rapping? Not it. I'm gonna post this on Twitter. But I ain't got time for this. I'm too grown. Boy, bye. Now with them shoes on. Ooh, I just wanna punch her in her face. I can't stand her. Ooh, she's too fat.
My name is Emanuela, but my girlfriends call me Carl. The club is free before 11. Free game deal, we party. Yes, I am the baddie, but you can't have this boo-boo. Sorry, cause 2 Chainz is my future baby daddy.
Got my jersey dress on. Jordan and match my press on. By Team Dark Skin. We don't like no red bones.
Uplifting my pictures. New Abby got glitter. Hit me up on Facebook.
And follow me on Twitter. I'm with Team Flip Phone. Team Chris Brown. If you don't shut it up, then it's Team Shut It Down. I'm with Team Bad Chick. Team with your man. If you got a lot of money, then it's Team King Pain. Friend.
You might as well spend it on me because you ain't like nothing. I'm on my job. Cause she Ratchet. Got it.
My post is there on Twitter. I ain't got time for this. I'm too grown. What back? Now with them shoes on. Ooh, I just wanna punch her in her face. I can't stand her. Ooh, she too fat.
She look good with the
Leopard skin. Leopard skin.